everyone. Today we have a special surprise. This is where my playhouses are going to be built.
That's right, Assistant. We're going to have a giant playhouse built right here in our backyard for all of our fun videos, right?
Right, let's watch them build it.
Yeah, let's go. Whoa, it's all built, Assistant!
Yeah!
Whoa, so show us all these cool things that you have with your playhouse.
Okay, so we added some flowers to the front.
Oh, those are very pretty. I love the flower boxes. Those are cool.
Yeah, and if you follow me over here,
Okay.
there's some more flower boxes with windows, but we don't have any flowers in here. That way we can still do a drive-thru.
Oh, good idea.
And back here, it's just a back wall. And then if you follow me over here,
Okay.
here's the big door.
Well, that's the big door. That's like the grown-up door, right? So I'll go in this door, you go in the other one, okay?
Okay.
So let's go inside. Whoa, I love your...
Hi.
Oh, look, Wiggles is inside. I'm gonna take my shoes off because I don't want to get the floor dirty. Right?
Right.
So I'm gonna turn on some lights. And so
Okay.
we're in right now.
Here's Wiggles.
Here's Wiggles. He likes to hang out. So do you have reasons why Wiggles likes to hang out in here?
Well,
Wiggles is right there.
I have a treat container.
Really? A
Let's
treat?
give Wiggles a treat.
Oh,
Wiggles, you want it?
it's way brighter now.
Definitely.
Okay, so you gave Wiggles a treat.
So let's start by this table under the loft.
Okay, so this is under the loft, right?
Right. So this is my table. Behind the table, I have a trash can.
Okay, so there's your trash can.
And right here, here's my chairs, and I have this setup right here.
Oh wow, so look right there. So show me what you have. You got like a little rock thing that you made?
Yeah, I put rocks in these containers.
Uh-huh.
And I also have this cool fake plant here, and I have a picture.
Oh yeah, so you got pictures. And where are the treats at?
Right below the plant.
Right below the plant. So there's the treats.
And I want to put something on that wall right there.
So we're thinking about maybe putting a mirror or something in there, right?
Right. To make the room feel bigger.
Now, Assistant, show me these windows. How do they work?
Ready?
Okay, yep.
Whoa.
Whoa, it
And I
opens.
can get a nice breeze inside.
You can get a nice breeze. And you know what? Also, Assistant, that can work like a drive-through window, right?
Oh yeah, so like here's the table where we can prep the food, and now they're driving by. Here's the window.
Oh, that's a great idea. And you decorate it so the table and chairs came with it, right?
Yes.
But then you added some of the decorations.
Uh-huh. It's not fully decorated in here yet, though.
Not fully decorated yet. And that's right. We got some other cool things to do.
And all the windows open as easily as that one that I just showed you. And right here is the rug.
So I close the door.
Wiggles.
And Wiggles is on the rug, right?
Both dogs love the rug.
Okay, now there's
It's
something.
so soft.
What is up top here? You've got a loft with a ladder, right?
Okay, I'll climb up here.
Alright. It's not dark outside, but we're in a shady spot of our yard, so it makes it a little
I'm going to
dark.
turn on the lantern that's up here.
Oh, that's a great idea. You got a lantern up here, right? Super cool. So there.
And this is I like to call my comfy spot. So,
And look, you painted that picture up there, didn't you?
yeah, it's it's an Up picture.
It's a picture from the movie Up, right?
Right. And I think that's a perfect spot for it.
And you've got screens right there, a circular window.
Yeah, this is actually, there's no glass in between there, so I can get a natural breeze up here.
Oh yeah, and then look, what do you have up here also?
I have a poppet bed. It's like more like a poppet pillow because it's under a blanket.
Oh, look at all those poppets you've got stored up here, right?
Yeah. And I really like this. I also have tissues up here.
Uh-huh. And then you've got like a little pillows, right?
Yeah, I got pillows up here. These pillows are so fluffy and comfortable. I also have this pillow here for decoration.
For decoration, right?
Yeah, and if we were playing hide and seek, I could hide in the corner right there and put the pillows behind me.
Oh, cool. And sister, you've got other cool things that we can do up here too, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna turn off the light and we're gonna see like some of the other cool effects we have.
Okay.
So.
I'll show them this poppet.
And then what?
Wait, do you want me to turn off the lantern?
We've got these other cool lights that we can put in. Like?
This. Now it's yellow. Now the whole loft space is turned to a cozy yellow color.
Oh yeah, look at that. Isn't that cool?
And I can extend my feet all the way out and I don't even touch the edge.
That's right. So this loft is so big that she can lay all the way down, right?
With a couple inches to spare.
Whoa, I like that light.
And I can sit up all the way without hitting my head.
Oh yeah, you can. And we've got another cool light that we can use, right?
Yeah, let's turn off this light right here.
So we're gonna turn this light off and we're gonna turn the special one on. So let's open the door. Just so we
Open
get a
the
little more
door,
light in.
okay.
And we're gonna turn this light off. Like that. Whoa.
Ooh, dark.
And then
Scary.
we're gonna try a couple more things. And we still have to show all the other cool things you have in here, right?
Right. We have a lot of cool places. Like, we still have, whoa, look at this, people.
I don't know if they can see it yet. Let's show them. Whoa, look at your cool black light
And
setup.
look at the poppets.
And look at the cool poppets, right?
Look, it's glowing.
Big glow underneath this black light. Look at that orange, isn't that neat?
Look at this lantern.
Wow.
It's not even on.
Well, now it's on. Turn it back on and see what happens. Whoa.
There's a mosquito in here.
No, not a mosquito. Pretty cool. All right, so let's turn that lantern back on.
Okay.
And you can bring it down. Why don't we look at this corner over here with all of your other cool pockets in.
Okay. Making my way down.
She's gonna come down the ladder. Okay, so show me all the cool stuff you have here.
We got some glow sticks. We have this speaker here, battery operated.
Oh yeah, the speaker's way cool, right? If you turn it on, it turns into a clock too, right? So let's turn it on to the back.
Okay.
So right here.
And then I have my fidget basket. This has some of my favorite fidgets in it.
Oh yeah.
Let me show you them.
So wait a minute. So here is your clock, right? Look, I think it's on a timer mode.
I think it's, we'll get it to the clock mode. There it is. Oh, that's the volume.
So it has real cool. Like when you play stuff, it actually changes. Like look, put it like right there. It's got Santa Claus, but it's actually a speaker too, right?
Right.
And then so you got a bunch of glow sticks for at night, and then you've got your poppets and your your fidget basket. So what all's in there?
These are my favorite fidgets.
Okay.
So I have some foam slime, glitter foam slime.
Okay,
I'll
let's put
take
it-
everything over the table.
Let's take it down here on this. Let's do it on the rug.
Okay. So I have this foam slime.
Uh huh.
It's really cool, but it is pretty sticky, so you gotta keep moving your hands so it doesn't stick to your hands.
Okay.
Next up, I have this 100 pop glow in the dark poppet.
Oh, that's cool for in here, right?
Right? I also have two Neato balls.
Ooh.
They're both color changing. I think that one, the blue one turns pink, and the pink one turns purple.
Now, people, the assistant decorated this all by yourself, didn't you?
Yeah.
So I helped her with some of the lights and some things like that. But you know, all the ideas came from the assistant on what she wanted to do, and it's going to change. And we're going to do a lot of cool videos in here, right?
Right. I also have 4 pop tubes, and look what I can do with these. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Whoa.
I can twist them together. That one didn't work very well.
So you got pop tubes. Now these are just our fidget stuff because sometimes kids, Mrs. Engineer and I don't really like listening to them like when we're watching TV. So she can come in here and she can do it on her own, right?
Right. I have this Orby ball too.
Ooh. Okay.
Super fun to squish. I have a puzzle ball.
Uh-huh.
A popsicle poppet.
Wow.
Strawberry poppet.
Strawberry.
And a hard shell poppet.
And a hard shell.
And then this basket.
And the basket. So that goes, right? That goes on your little thing here in the corner. And what else do you have in there? Because you've got other baskets, right?
Oh, yes, I do. All right, let's look in it. Let's look in the basket.
All right, so we're going to look in the rest of these baskets, right?
Okay.
So there's a speaker. And then that below us is a battery. And that's how we have power
That's how
into
we
some stuff.
powered the lights.
That's how the lights get juice.
Now, right here, the first basket, we have some other fidget toys, like a strawberry squishy, a DNA ball.
Oh, and you got some 5 surprises. Like when Crystal comes over, you guys can open those up, right? So you can share with your friends.
Look at this fidget toy.
Pretty cool.
5 surprise. I have tiny hands.
Tiny hands. Like, look, I got little bitty hands.
That
Right?
way me and Crystal can maybe we could do a drive-through challenge where we have to make each other's meals only using tiny hands.
Oh, that's a great idea.
And just a couple mini brands in here, and then we got amazing black light putty. Maybe we should try it with the.
Ooh, yeah, let's hold it up over by the black light. So this putty, what color is it right now? Let's show them.
White or
It's white.
clear.
So let's put it by the black light and see what happens. Ready? All right, now show them. It's not changed colors yet.
Maybe there's too much light in here.
Let's close this light. Ooh, now let's try it in front of the black light.
Let me take some out.
Good idea. It's a lot darker in here now. Oh, you put it right there.
Whoa!
It changed color. Oh, wait a minute. You see it, people? Now it's purple. Pretty cool stuff, assistant.
Yeah! So now when I get bored and it's nighttime, I can just play with this putty up against the light.
Yep.
And if you follow me to the next corner over here,
Okay, next corner.
this is my cleaning corner.
Oh, yeah, so she's got a broom and a vacuum.
Now this stuff is temporary in here, but it's just in here because it's new and it needs to be cleaned a little bit more.
That's right, so she keeps it, and when you use the vacuum cleaner to suck up what?
Bugs and to get the dirt that's under.
Yeah, just, in case some little bugs comes in, she just sucks it up through the vacuum cleaner, right?
Yeah, like once this video's done, I'm gonna suck up all the mosquitoes.
All the mosquitoes are going out of here, right?
Yeah.
All right, people. So what do you think about the assistant's clubhouse? Do you really like it?
I love it! Oh wait, we missed an important part.
Oh, and look, it's the assistant clock, right?
Right, it's in a perfect spot, right across from the up painting.
Right across from the up painting. So that is your clubhouse that you decorated yourself, right? So
Yeah.
kids, you can decorate, and then you've got a fun clubhouse for your friends to hang out with, right?
And I also like how the ceiling is super high, so I can jump and my head doesn't even touch the ceiling.
Yeah, my head, I'm standing up. My head doesn't even touch the ceiling right now. Is that cool?
Right, that is pretty cool.
All right, everybody. So if you want to see lots of cool other videos with the clubhouse and all the fun ways the assistant's going to decorate it for Christmas and Halloween,
Yeah, and this is it. The decorating in here is still a work in progress.
she's got a lot more work to do, don't you?
Yeah.
So she saves up her money from her chores for her allowance, and she buys things in here for herself so she can decorate her own clubhouse. That's how where you use some of your money, right?
Yeah, like getting the treat thing for Wiggles and Waggles.
And the rug.
The picture.
And the pictures. All that was bought with some of her spending money, right?
Right, and now I'm gonna get a mirror.
And now she's gonna get a mirror. All right, people, so make sure that you keep watching and subscribe to the Engineering Family if it's okay with your parents. And check us out on Roku, Apple
Amazon
TV.
Fire TV, Apple TV, and Happy Kids.
Yeah, we have an app on all of them, so you can check out our app and you can watch hundreds, if not thousands, of our videos, right?
Right.
And you know what? We're not even calling it a clubhouse. We're calling it the Tween Shed.
No, we're not. We're
Tween
calling
Shed.
it the Playhouse.
Well, whatever. It's fun for even big kids too, right?
Right.
All right, everybody, have a good day.
Bye.